ngayon guys, i-react natin tong si Jong Madaliday. So ito si Jong Madaliday is from The Class Season 1. So okay, nagbabalik siya sa The Class 2025. So tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging performance niya dito.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow.
Iba yung vibrato niya, no?
You're
Parang
the closest to
medyo mabilis yung
heaven that I'll ever
vibrato
be.
niya, no?
And I
Parang,
don't wanna go home right now.
Parang mararamdaman mo na
And all
kapag siya.
I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over.
Punong-puno ng
I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't wanna see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Swaziland.
See me, 'cause I don't think that they understand.
Grabe.
When everything's made to be
Ibang-iba talaga siya pagka nag-perform. Mararamdaman mo talaga.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
So yun nga. Yun si Jong Madaliday from The Class Season 1. So ngayon, sumali ulit siya sa The Class Packers. So I hope makapasok si Jong, no? And marinig ulit natin siya na kakanta sa sunod na mga episode. So good luck sa iyo, Jong. Kung ano man yung magiging kapalaran mo sa The Class, well, lahat kami nakasuporta sa iyo. And thank you for your song.